Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Well guys, I'm harvesting Burdock root today. These are some Burdock root that I harvest. You see, this is a plant, this is the leaf. And what happens is Burdock root grows very deep. This thing will keep pushing its roots down. But what I did, I popped because it was too deep. So I popped them so the root could grow for itself. So let me pop this one as well. Okay, all right. This is the root right here. This one here, I don't know, I might just leave this one. Okay? All right, so now this is what I harvest. This is what I harvest. I have a few pieces down inside here, which these I'm gonna transplant in different areas. Up here, this is where I already start cleaning out this one. But I got to do the same. So you see guys, this is the Burdock root and this is how it goes. It goes and it dig itself and it suck a lot of nutrition from under the soil, because as we see, for what we know, it goes pretty deep. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pop it, you see? Look at this. I just pop it and I'm gonna do the same thing over here. All right. So this is a nice piece of root here. Oh yes. Peace. Burdock root, guys. Wild growth, it grows by itself. All right, so right here we have a nice harvest of Burdock root, and we also have in this container a few plants that I can transplant. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Okay.